This is a gratitude video to Seema Midha ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Seema Midha, for nurturing me and for teaching me the science of numerology and tarot. I am extremely grateful to you for teaching me all the nuances of this beautiful science and for helping me understand the importance of numbers in one's life, the importance of missing numbers and how we can do the remedies for them and lead more complete lives. You've also taught me the importance of one's mobile number and how mobile number correction should be done and how it can impact one's destiny. Also, looking at somebody's signature, how you can make out what kind of a person that person is and how you can improve the signature to improve the quality of life of that person. Thank you for teaching me the making of Pyra cards, which helps to complete a person's life. Also, I am really indebted to you for all this knowledge and the love with which you taught me all of this so lovingly, with so much of compassion and giving me hope and giving me so much of positivity. Ma'am, a mentor like you is very difficult to find, and I am so fortunate to have had you as my guru. Thank you so much, and I would